So this is the Gouache skin tone palette. The two most important scales are these two scales, the red scale and the orange scale. The orange scale is made out of 5 values going from light to dark, and we also have the red scales going from light to dark. We will be using mostly these two scales for the skin tone. And here we have the highlights for the primary and secondary colors from yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, and green. And the shadows, we have blue, we have a warm black and a cold black, and these three colors including the shadow colors for the skin tone made up of all the colors for the shadows that we'll be using. Also we have the gray tones and 1 pink tones for blusher and lips, and also a white which you can't see here. I will be having a tutorial soon on how to mix these skin tone colors in gouache, but for now in this video I just want to go over 2 techniques that is being used in painting this portrait today. So there's actually 2 techniques when it comes to using gouache paint. You can use it as watercolor, so it can be transparent or it can be opaque. So this is how it looks like when it is transparent, and this is how it looks like when it is opaque. We have to be very selective in where we use these 2 techniques, or else if they are just all over the place, they are just going to be chaotic and messy. So for this portrait, we are going to lay everything with a transparent wash just like watercolor, and then after we have achieved opacity a little bit more, we are going to use opaque color thickly to do the highlights and the details. So the first thing I'm gonna do is lay a wash over this color pencil sketch, because this color pencil sketch is dissolvable in water. It will just smear away, and I need a wash to seal the sketch in first. And now I have my brush and my paint, and I'm gonna lay the flat wash over it confidently and quickly in just 1 pass, because if I do too many passes, the color pencil sketch will just melt. Before we begin, I'm just going to mix a couple of gouache colors with water to dilute them so that they behave more like watercolor. Now we're ready to start the portrait, and the first thing I want to do is lay down the object color. So whatever color you think that the object may be, guess the skin tone or the flower colors. As long as you get as close as possible for the object color, it will be fine. So just paint that on and then continue layering until you achieve opacity. I love to use this refillable water brush to blend my colors. So if I have a hard edge here, I just run it along the edge and it will just blend the color nicely.
I will get close to your heartache if you want to open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will 'Cause I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind. 'Cause right now we're not together, and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah, whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Is it too late to feel you? Is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done, for the things I never did? But I promise, dear, I'll never let you go. So don't let go, get close to me. Oh, don't let go, get close to me. My body's waiting for you. I know your body's been waiting too. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone, I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better off. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off. Baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone. But I'm just fine, I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm moving strong, I'll get it done. I'm alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes, tables turn, you're on your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am